Okay, question 9. It says, tickets cost $2 for this game. In the first week, a player will receive $D for each ticket. The grand prize in the first week is $1,000. So essentially we have this probability distribution table. And essentially this means you paid $2 to play. There's an 85% chance that you'll win nothing. There's a 3% chance you'll win $10, and there's like a 0.2% chance you'll win $50, and then a 0.01% chance, so like one, that is like 1 in 10,000 that you will actually win the grand prize, which is 1,000. Okay, so part A, I think, is not a bad question. Find the value of C. These probabilities have to add up to 1. 0.85 plus C plus 0.03, that should be 3, plus 0.002 plus 0.0001. These have to add up to 1 because the total probabilities have to add up to 1 because these are the only things that can happen. So there you go. Then you just solve this. Use your calculator if you need to. I think I do need to. So it's 1 minus 0.85 minus 0.03 minus 0.002 minus 0.0001. This gives us 0.1179. 0.1179, and that's C. Okay, part B. Determine whether this lottery is a fair game. Oh, by the way, guys, it says all answers to 4 significant figures in big bold writing at the top of the question. So if they say that, then that is what you must do. And yes, you will lose marks this time for either over rounding or under rounding. So just make sure you go to all your answers, like this one, is 4 significant figures, so it's fine. Determine whether the lottery is fair. Now, if it's fair, think about this game, right? If you pay $2 to play, if it's fair, your expected value should be $2. Because it's like, the way I kind of think of it is, if you play this game 1,000,000 times and every time you played $2, what should happen is no one wins any money because it's fair. So you'll just get back your $2. If it's not fair, the expected value will be less than 2 or greater than 2 because it would be unfair to your advantage, but that's unlikely. All we care about is that the expected value should be 2, and we can find the expected value. The expected value of D is equal to 0 times this. I'll write it in anyway, even though it's obviously 0. 0 times 0.85 plus 2 times C, which is now this, 2 times 0.1179 plus 10 times 0.03 plus 50 times 0.002, and then plus 1,000 times, because we're talking about the first week, because it says in the first week the grand prize is 1,000, so I'll do 1,000 times 0.0001, and this equals, again, I guess I need my calculator. Well, that's 0. It's 2 times 0.1179 plus, I'm just going to do 0.3 plus 50 times 0.002 plus 0.1. I did some of those calculations in my head, but I get 0. What have I done wrong? 0.7358, 0.7358. So he says tickets cost $2. Determine if the game is fair. Well, the game is not fair because we're not winning $2. And I need to justify my answer, so I'm going to have to write game is not fair as the expected value does not equal 2. That's all you need to write. Okay, I'll do part C in the next video.